Kress is revolutionizing the golf maintenance industry with the most innovative products that golf has seen in decades. Meet Kress robotic mowers. Kress has produced a product that addresses all of the shortcomings of unsuccessful, difficult to use robotic mowers of the past. Green Industries has installed Kress mowers at many of the premier courses in the Mid-Atlantic. In addition to maintaining rough and fairways, we have successfully addressed unique requests such as cutting dew-walks and driving ranges, with mowing capabilities up to 6 acres per mower. Kress uses a network of antennas that deliver a 15-mile radius of strong network coverage and no subscription fees. This bold approach is the reason that Kress robots are head and shoulders over its competition when it comes to network coverage and reliability, allowing courses to be able to deploy a fleet of autonomous mowers without the need for reference stations. GPS guidance produces laser straight cutting lines with cutting heights of 0.4 inches to 3.5 inches. IPX5 waterproofing allows the Kress robots to keep cutting rain or shine. Mapping is where Kress shines. Simply remove the pilot from the robot, place it on the Kress mapping cart, open your app, and walk the area to create your customized mapping zone. The easy-to-use app allows you to keep an eye on your robotic fleet and make changes on the fly. Adjusting cutting heights, stripe patterns, and setting schedules can be changed with the press of a button from anywhere. Contact us today to schedule your free trial. We will bring a robot out to your course, we will walk you through the installation process, and we will set it up for you for 10 days so that you can see the Kress difference.